UPCAT or College Entrance Test Math Reviewer number 23 and 24. So i-post nyo muna, try nyo sagutan bago panoodin yung solution ko. Okay, so let's start. Number 23. So we have negative 2 cubed plus 6 over 4 plus 1 half minus 3 times 4 over negative 6. Okay, so simplify lang natin ito. So simplify lang natin itong parang considered siya as tatlong fraction. Ito yung first fraction, second, and then ito yung third fraction. So kailangan natin i-simplify itong first tsaka itong third. Okay? So pagsasabayin na natin. So ibig sabihin itong negative 2 cube, tatlong negative 2. So therefore that is negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. So magiging sagot sa kanya ay negative 8. Okay? So dahil tatlong negative, so negative pa rin, and then tatlong 2 ay negative 8, and then just copy plus 6 and 4. Then we have just copy the 1 half. Let's simplify this. We have 2 negative signs, so therefore that will be positive, and then just multiply the numerator 3 times 4, that is 12, over positive na ito dahil negative over negative positive. So 6 na lang. Then simplify natin itong negative 8 plus 6, so that will be negative 2 over 4 plus 1 half, and then plus 12 divided by 6, that is equal to 2. And then pag nilowest term natin itong negative 2/4, divide natin parehas sa 2, magiging siyang negative 1 half plus another plus 1 half ulit plus 2. So we have opposite sign, negative 1 half and positive 1 half. So this will be 0. The final answer is positive 2. So letter D ang tamang sagot. Okay, so for number 24, burahin muna natin to. So i-distribute lang natin 3 times quantity x minus 2 and then plus 3 times 3x plus 4. So kailangan lang natin gawin, i-distribute itong 3 sa x. 3 times x, that will be equal to 3x. 3 times negative 2, so that will be negative 6. Then distribute natin itong positive 3. 3 times 3x, so that will be positive 9x. And then 3 times positive 4, we have positive 12. Then combine natin yung like terms, 3x and positive 9x. So just add the numerical coefficient, 3 plus 9, that is 12, copy the variable x. And then last, we have negative 6 and then positive 12. So pag kinumbine natin yan, opposite sign, isang negative, isang positive. So susundin natin yung sign ng malaking number, that is positive 12. So positive ang sign natin, isubtract natin 12 minus 6, so that is equal to 6. So therefore, the final answer is letter C, 12x plus 6. Follow for more. Para po sa mga naghahanap ng murang UPCAT review, pwede rin ito sa ibang college entrance test. Ito po yung offer ko, 99 lang po ito, all in na. Meron tayong 500 slots na available. So ito yung inclusion niya, 10 days math and logic tutorial via Zoom. Ito po yung schedule natin. MWF po ito, 7 to 9 p.m. Mag-start ng June 8 hanggang June 29. Okay, so meron din tayong Google Forms reviewer para sa ibang subject, kagaya ng English, Filipino, Science, General Info, Abstract Reasoning. May mock test din po tayo, and then may only replay tayo ng mga past session natin. So itong mga Zoom meetings po natin, recorded po yan dito sa exclusive FB group tsaka sa GC natin. So ano pong inaantay nyo, mag-message lang po kayo sa akin sa aking messenger, RJ Enseñado. 500 slots lang po yan, 99 pesos, all in na po yan.